Arrive here in Malaysia. Happy New Year, everyone. Dadating namin dito sa Malaysia. Okay naman yung panahon. Muulan. Aming second time dito sa Malaysia. Explore Malaysia again. Happy New Year, everyone. Lang kami ng grab sa WhatsApp kasi para makapag-taxi to the hotel. Kailangan mo i-download yung Grab map para madali ka makapunta sa yung hotel.
His license.
Welcome to Malaysia, Charlie. Happy New Year. Beautiful.
Press on one again, Mommy. Press on one again.
It goes back, is it?
No, it doesn't. It does it. You go up.
Lah. Ang ganda niya.
Mommy, can you put
Yeah, you just.
Ito yung labi niya. Dito sa Kampong Atap. Chandeliers nila. Happy New Year, everyone! Naglalakad kami dito sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. So we are just gonna try to find the metro train station. Maganda tong walking path nila kasi meron siyang pa-shade. Kasi masyadong mainit. At least may cover the pathway. Ito na ba, Chloe? It is the one? Ah, ito na pala. Bilis lang pala. Malapit lang sa aming hotel, sa Howard Johnson Hotel. We'll find out how to use it. Ito yung kanyang machine. Pwede mo pagbilan ng ticket. Ticket vending machine.
You're doing all
Ah. Yeah. So we're going to this one. Go to platform number 1. There. So we get the token. This is like 2 ringgit each. And it has platform number 1. I'm gonna wait for the train to come. Hang Tuah. We're gonna eat there. Hang Tuah. Ito yung metro rail nila. Platform 1. We're going to this one. Hang Tuah. 2 ringgit each. Single journey. That's our train. So bumaba kami sa Hang Tuah train station and we're going to the Lalaport. Ay! Oh, yeah. Dito na kami sa Skyway overpass connecting to the Lalaport Mall. Beautiful. May mosque doon, oh. Ganda. So here in Hang Tuah, Bukit Bintang, you can see BBC Salisbury, Lalaport, Strike, Malaysia Grand Bazaar, Kuala Lumpur, and Lawang. So this way. Dito sa Hang Tuah. Ito. Ayun niya. Lalaport Hang Tuah main entrance. Dito sa siyang mall dito sa Malaysia. Sa Kuala Lumpur. Ayun siya. Very nice. Malapit din siya sa Berjaya Square. Saan na?
Is it?
Oh, Berjaya Lalaport.